Here at the Heights, enjoy our peaceful, serene, park-like setting. Welcome to the home of the Pro Football Hall of Fame and the historical President McKinley's Monument. Our community is sure to steal your heart with a wealth of unique places, interesting sights, and fun activities to keep you entertained. Enjoy everything from family cuisine to fine dining, and even a taste of home-cooked Amish dining. From football to classic cars to family fun, Canton Stark County is a great retreat for everyone, no matter what their age. Here you'll find unexpected treasures at every turn. Enjoy great shopping nearby at the Strip in North Canton. For students, we're conveniently located near Malone College, Walsh College, and Kent State Stark Campus. The Heights is a unique arrangement of apartments immersed in lavish landscaping located in the historic Ridgewood district. Residents also enjoy other benefits such as a laundry room, playground, volleyball, and picnic area and gazebo. We offer studio, 1 or 2 bedroom suites for rent, with features such as an appliance package, carpet, cabinets, and countertops. Enjoy spacious floor plans and individually controlled heat and air conditioning as well. We'll accept your little furry friend too. It's all new here at the Heights. Call us today to find out how you can make this your next home.